Guys, we are playing Sumo Wars. Theo?
Back to me.
Do yours back. Both back. Both down. Alright. Now let's show the camera. I've got blue sumo.
I got red sumo.
Ha ha ha. Guys, who is gonna win? Blue sumo wrestler or
red sumo wrestler?
choose your team, blue or red. First
Go for
battle,
red, go for red, go for red!
First battle now, go. Yeah! Whee! Spinning around. Daddy wins one. Okay, starting again. Start again. Ah! No. Have to start again.
I got you then.
Look, spinning on the back. Whee!
Ah, mine is crazy!
Okay. Here, starting point here. 1,
Three.
2, 3, go. Hug! Go!
Yes!
Go!
Wee! Wee!
Okay, guys.
Wow, did you see that?
So that.
Guys, did you see that?
Ooh.
In 3, 2, 1, wee!
Okay, so that's 2. That's 1 all. Yeah?
1 to 1.
No, start flat properly. Start flat, because if you're leaning back, then I'll push you over straight away. Go!
Then I'm not ready, I'm not
Chase
ready.
your back. Yeah, run away! Yeah! Yeah! Whee! Whoa! Oh! No! Okay, try again.
I'm gonna
1, 2, 3, go! Blue team, blue team!
No!
Yeah!
Red team's gonna win.
Woo-hoo. No. So that's 2 all, guys, isn't it? Is that 2 all?
Yes.
You've knocked me down twice, and I've knocked you down twice.
Yes.
Guys, what do you reckon? Blue
Or red.
or red? Okay, let's try. Okay. Go.
Where are you going?
Oh, I got you on the back. Okay, reverse.
Yeah!
3, 2. It's the best out of 5. Let's go.
So I only need 2 more.
Wait, not yet. We're doing it. Okay,
So-
best out of 5.
So I need only 2 more to
Okay.
win.
Bring yours back.
Okay.
Go.
3, 2, 1.
No, you're not
I
allowed
need
to
to bring
hold
it
it.
back.
Yeah, well, how do you bring it back? You push both down, don't you? Okay, we'll start again. Okay, go. Turn. If you want to turn, you just push one up, okay? Left or right up, okay? Go. Push! Oh!
Tie.
Whoa!
So we both get a point.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I only need 1
So-
more, Daddy.
No, you need 4.
No, Daddy, I need 1
No,
more.
because it's 3, 2. Okay?
No, I have 3, and then I need
Yeah.
2 more.
Exactly. You said you need 1 more. So 2 more. Go.
Daddy, you're supposed to go easy on me, remember?
Yeah! 3 all, guys. Blue team, yeah. Oh.
4.
Okay, let's go.
I have 4 points.
No,
I
because we didn't start again. Go back.
I got.
All right, guys, go.
Yes! I need 1 more.
1 more, and Theo's team wins. Come on, blue team. Let's go, blue team. Go. Hey, don't run away.
I'm not ready. I need to go again. Ah! Just spinning in circles.
Don't run away. Yeah! 4 all.
Let's
Last
see.
one is the winner. Let's go.
No, Daddy, I'm not ready. I need to make my.
Go.
No! Why is he going round?
You need to do both up, Theo. Both up.
Oh, okay.
Go.
Come on, you can do this!
Yeah!
What do you say?
Theo's the champion. He's the best. Well
Yeah!
done, Theo. High 5. Guys, what do you think of the Sumo Wrestler wrestling game robot
Oh, he's around.
remote control sumo wrestlers? If you love it, give us a thumbs up. Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.
Da-na-na-na-na-na-na.